Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. Yes, today's video is all about things which can make your life easier, more organized, and definitely can add a little more value to your lifestyle as well. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started. Let's start with something which is into my kitchen. So yes, my kitchen is comparatively smaller than the house I'm living in. So if ever somebody pops to my house, drops by, you will see the kitchen is the smallest area. Now I really wanted to organize it well and make it more cleaner. So I bought this 4-drawer organizer. It is a plastic product, it's not a wood. Reason being, kitchen में कभी-कभी पानी गिर जाता है. If I end up buying a furniture wood, it may get wet and it get damaged. So I thought it's okay, let me just go for the plastic version. Now the one which I picked up is a little expensive. It is for 2500 after discount. Yes, you may feel ki why am I paying 2500 for the plastic? But if you want to use it for like next 6 to 7 years, then I don't mind this kind of investment. So now it is a 4-layer one. It will come in a folded format. You have to basically build it, and then you have your 4-drawer done. Now I really like the color, I really like the quality, and it solves the purpose. So मुझे छोटे-छोटे डब्बे या टिफिन या कुछ छोटा leftover masalas or food, I did not had any place to keep all of these things, and I don't want to buy like multiple containers. So I thought it is better I buy an organizer wherein I can put all this and I will remember it easily. And it is right inside my kitchen, occupying very less space, and थोड़ा सा इसको और pleasing दिखाने के लिए मैंने इसके ऊपर एक छोटा सा plant रख दिया है. So that is something which I have recently learned. But yes, it's a beautiful product. If you are someone who wants to add a little bit of organizer in your kitchen and you're struggling with it and you don't want to invest a lot of money in wood and all, then go for this product. It is well done. जहाँ मैंने किचन में एक ड्रॉर ऐड किया, now I wanted something to keep my mugs as well. Now why I decided onto these things, backstory that मैं इस ऐसे घर में पहले रह चुकी हूँ. So if you have been following me, you know that earlier also I used to stay in Delhi, and these were the same flats I used to stay. It's just that the house number has changed. So whole structure of the house and the kitchen is same for me. So this time I could decide what additions I can do. That is how it made my life easier to select a product. So next one is like these 3 shelves. This was like pretty inexpensive. I paid I think 750 rupees for it, and I got these 3 huge shelves. Now it is like large, medium and small, and you can see I have put my mugs and those sipper glasses because इनको रखने की ही जगह नहीं थी मेरे पास. So yes, this really solved my issue. Now this you can use in multiple ways. You can keep small jars also in it. You can keep like the mugs. I have kept it. So basically I wanted a separate section wherein I can cater my mugs. So it is definitely solving the purpose. It is nice, sturdy, not so heavy, not so light, and a well-made product. So 795 में it is like a best deal. So अगर आपको ऐसा कुछ organization घर में लगाना है, grab it. It is well done. Now moving on to the next kitchen item which I happened to pick up, and this was just a C product. मतलब मैंने किसी के घर में देखा and I just loved the product because I actually saw the product in use. So कभी सोचा नहीं था that I will buy something like this, but then I bought it. Is this Carote non-stick cookware. This is how it is, and it's very nice. This is a 28 centimeter. I don't believe in buying 26 or 22 centimeter. It's too small for my cooking, and it comes with its own lid. So I have still not used it, but I know it works nice because after asking my friend that how it works, she gave wonderful reviews. So I was like, let me just pick it up. Now इसकी cost expensive है MRP पे, but then if you just see a good discount, you will get this product in 1650 to 1700 if you buy this color. Now you get a, let me just keep this aside. So the product is pretty sleek. It comes in 2 colors. It comes in white and it comes in that color which I showed you. So you make your own choices. I did not buy the white one. Reason being, मुझे लगा कि खाना बनाते बनाते वो बहुत गंदा दिखने लगेगा. But if you are just strictly buying for certain type of cooking, like only making white pastas or something, then go ahead with white. But for my Indian cooking, white is not the best option, but it was looking very pretty because I have seen the white in person. So yes, that is another thing which I happened to pick up and add it to my kitchen cookware. But it's beautiful, like it's better than I feel the non-stick cookware I have. So if you are into something like luxury cookware, or you want your cookware also to look pretty, then you can buy that one. Otherwise you can totally skip it. It's not a must buy, but it is definitely a good one. So I did happen to go to Home Center one day and I happened to pick up a lot of things, but I'm not going to show you every single thing because few things you will see in my next haul, so because they are not still put on. So the next thing which I happened to pick up from Home Center was these glass containers. This is like a beautiful glass container and it's like nicely sealed. That was my major concern. So why did I buy this? I bought this for food storage, not the regular food storage. उसके लिए काफ़ी डब्बे हैं मेरे पास. But ये मैंने इसलिए खरीदा because sometimes we throw a party or something and we need a glass storage which can store a little more extra food. So this I bought, and I bought another bigger size than this. That's it, only two. Now they do seem a little expensive, but I do feel it is much affordable compared to many other existing brands. So try Home Center. एक बार ऑनलाइन भी चेक कर लो, एक बार स्टोर जाके चेक कर लो, you will definitely like it. So purpose is solved. I absolutely loved this one. So this is definitely something to be checked out at Home Center. For the next product, I'm just gonna move a little more far away from the camera because this product is big. So this is what I bought from the brand Frido. Yes, Frido से मैंने finally ये खरीद लिया. So I just did not buy this. I bought the backrest pillow as well. So I bought as a set. So basically I have just started walking and I realized that after 5 years, like I have started the walk wherein I'm not missing a day. It's very rare I'm missing a day. So I started getting these hip pains and thoda sa kamar se lower back, and the pain is going towards leg. So I realized whenever I'm sitting on a hard surface, it is hurting more, and whenever I'm lying down on my normal bed, it's hurting more. So Frido के कई बार मैंने ads देखे, मतलब काफ़ी समय से देख रही हूँ, but then I never thought of buying it because I was like मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं है. But I remember my mother-in-law having the same kind of pain, and we bought a similar pillow for her when then Frido was not there, and she really was happy with it. So I thought, why not invest in something like this? So I bought this, and my husband was like, Lilo, it is important for your health, it is important for your pain which you have. So it is the perfect pillow. Now the way I used to sit earlier was not the good position, so it has really rectified my sitting position. Secondly, it has definitely given a little more strength to my back, because earlier I used to bend a little and then work on my laptop. जितना मैं इस पे बैठी हूँ, मतलब it is almost a month I've been using this product, and it has definitely made a change. So today also when I'm filming, I'm standing and filming, I don't have that pain. Earlier I used to get this very slow pain. Now I don't get that. So this pillow is definitely worth trying. It is expensive. It's not cheaper. So the one pillow, the one I showed you, will cost you 4,199. The other pillow also cost you I think 3,999. So I got it in a good offer on Frido. So check their website and then grab the product. So definitely, like if you have a back issue, if you're constantly working on laptop, if you're constantly sitting and doing things, invest in something like this, because it is like one-time investment. You don't have to invest again and again. So I'm really happy, like really happy with it. So the next product is actually the product which made me buy the product which I showed you earlier. One day my husband was like, let's just change all the pillows. So I was like, okay, let's just change all the pillows, let's just go to market and buy pillows. Then like, no, we should buy some better pillows. So then from there, when I was seeing again these Frido ads, yes, Frido ads are made so well. So then I decided, then I told him, okay, because I was already using a pillow like that from Home Center, which really helped me. But we wanted to advance it and we wanted to buy a little more bigger pillows. So we bought these Frido pillows, and I must tell you again, from the day I'm using Frido pillows, I have no neck pain. Touch wood, it's not there. no neck pain, no uneasiness on my back area. So both of these two products in my case has helped me. And the pillow is really good. It does not move on the bed. It's big in size. Actually, if you have a small kid, he can also share the pillow with you. I'm just saying. But you just need one pillow then for your head, because when we buy those normal pillows, we keep putting pillows. So earlier I had like 10 to 15 pillows in my house. Now in my bedroom I have only 3 pillows. I'm so happy about that. So yes, I will be future में buying 2 more Frido pillows because I want to put it in my guest room also. Again, pillows are expensive. They are for 3,999, approximately 4,000, but worth buying. It's a one-time purchase, I'm telling you. So yes, a beautiful product. Both of the products are well done by Frido. I am interested in trying one more product which they have made it for flat foot. I have flat foot, so let me try that as well. But अगर आपको पिल्लो में और या उसमें interest है, definitely grab it. You will not regret buying them. And coming down to the last thing, or I would not even call it as thing, plants. A lot of plants, because we got posted to Delhi and my almost every single plant died, leaving 2 plants which survived and they are growing again. So yes, I had to add few plants, a lot of plants. I will be buying more new plants by Diwali, but yes, I have already added quite a bit in my plant area, or like a balcony area. So which website did I buy? Because I could have gone to a nursery also and bought it, but itna time nahi tha, and husband is working and I don't drive, so I had to get it somehow. So earlier I was planning to buy from Ugao, but then I dropped the plan. I bought it from Urban. So there is a website called Urban as well. So I happened to pick up a few odd plants like ZZ. I got the snake plant, I got Tulsi, then fake feather ficus plant, then I got a ficus मेरे पास था, वो regrow हो रहा है. So a lot of jade I got. So there are some random plants which I happened to pick up. Now when जब मैं plants खरीद रही थी, there are another lesson which I learned during process of 4 years, that Delhi is like a weather oriented place. So now winters are going to approach, so I don't want to buy plants which needs like extensive sunlight. So I went for non-flowering plants and I went for indoor plants mostly, but Tulsi chahiye thi mujhe, so I went for Sham Tulsi and I bought some beautiful indoor snake plant ZZ, which is an air purifier. So yes, talking about the quality of the plant, it is good. I would suggest you, जब भी आप ये plants लेके आओ, ये मतलब order करो, don't immediately pot them. Let them be there, because now they have come from place A to place B, and place B se they're going to be getting into a place C. So itni jaldi transition is not good. Even we don't like it. So give them a little breathing space. छाँव में रखो उसे, थोड़ा पानी दे दो. Let it sit there for 5-6 days. If you feel अब तैयार हैं ये, then you pot them. But at least give them a week to settle in your environment, and then you can pot them. That's how I did it. So now they're growing, they're flourishing, and definitely I just love seeing them and talking to them. And another one thing which I will tell you, that if you have plants and if you love keeping plants, go spend time with them, talk to them, because that's what they love and that's how they flourish. They just do not flourish by water and compost and mud. So you need to have that personal connection with your plants, which I have definitely sensed it with mine. So yes, they will grow and they will flourish. So yes, you can try Urban, because Urban is cheaper than Ugao, and they also come in a well packaged pots, and however they have to send you, they will send you in one piece, and the plants will not be dried. They will be like good looking plants. So yes, Urban is another website. If I happen to buy more plants from Urban, I will update you. But yes, I am eyeing few plants. Let me just spend some more time with the existing ones and then we'll add more. So there you saw some beautiful, interesting things, and I must tell you, all of the things which I happened to show you, they were just not bought. I did not do impulse buy. Every single thing I showed you had a purpose. So I always say, खरीदने से पहले you need to know what you're going to do with that product, where you're going to place it in your house, and then you buy it. You just don't buy products because you keep seeing ads. Secondly, you saw it in your friend's house and you feel it's beautiful. No, you should not do that. So जो भी आपको लगता है कि हाँ, this is going to add some value to my lifestyle, definitely grab it. All the links will be in my description, and if you have any further question, drop in your comments. I will definitely answer them. If you loved watching this video, consider giving a thumbs up. Follow me on my Instagram.